Hi, it's Opa Dave. It's been a while since I have posted anything, and it actually what made me think about it was the one pager Udemy class that I took by Timothy Kenny, and so I had the idea that I wanted to incorporate it into Obsidian. So I asked ChatGPT for some help on how would I go about using the one pager template to be put into Obsidian. And so it wrote me eight steps on creating the template. And we are going to be doing that very, very, very soon. As a matter of fact, as soon as I get off of this, I will, start Obsidian. Heck, we could probably do it right now if we really wanted. Okay, so let's come up here. A new note. Is that what it said, right? To create a new note in Obsidian and give it a name like one pager template. Okay, so let's create a new note. And this is going to be one pager template. And I'm not going to use the two R's. I don't know if he trademarked that or not. So I am not going to, like I said, repeat that part of it. I don't know anything about this trademarking stuff. So I will be, oh, okay, it already took the name. Excellent. I didn't. See, learn something new, man. All right. Start with a summary or title section where you will write the main idea of your one pager. Okay, this goes back to the actual steps. That is part of the template. And so this right here, this one pager, actually falls under the mastermind, and it may live there. I don't know yet. As you can see in Obsidian, I've actually started working on some stuff. And here it is. I'm still learning Obsidian also. So here it is. I've got equipment that I have for the show or the channel. I don't know what there again. I don't even know what it's called. So I've got some 4K cameras. I've got my office space. I have my garage space, and I have my, obviously computer equipment, and I have my test equipment. I got a soldering station right here on the bench. I have some stuff I've got to model up. There is a few gauges that I'll be creating 3D models for, or I'll be searching for 3D models. This is going to be educational, and this is for a project that I'm actually working on. And like I said, I have a here it is. We have a voltmeter. I'm going to be building for my workbench out in the lab. That's what we're going to call that, the lab. A variable AC bench supply that will utilize a variac to give me voltages out. I may use a depending on what I can get for my high voltage, I may use a step-up transformer. Not sure yet, but it will be isolated. I will have a current meter on it. That was the. This is a current meter. Here is the pickup for it, and that is to measure current flow to the device. And here I also have an amp meter. A little bit of mixture of old school and new school. I do like the analog gauges. It will have a light bulb that will be in line, that when we plug something into for testing, it will act as a fuse for us. So that ought to be interesting. We're going to be using SolidWorks to design the case, and we'll be modeling the parts and putting them on the show also. So that will be recorded videos of modeling everything. And as soon as I'm able to get a website working, I will maybe share the models online, or maybe I'll put them on Google Drive or something. Here again, all new to me. I know that these things exist, but I've never used them. I'll be building a WordPress website, just because. Why not? We're here to learn things. I will have projects with my, Explorer board. I have some Arduino stuff here. I have an old Uno. This does not have the I2C pins on this side where the data lines are at. So we'll be working with microcontrollers also. Dave's going to be learning a lot of things, and I might as well record it and post it someplace. Maybe somebody will find it and like it. And we'll be going through some old books. I have some old magazines from the 70s and 80s, from a couple of electronics magazines that are now defunct. I don't want to give their names because here again, I don't know what the deal is on that. So, but we'll work on some projects from them. There are lots of analog, or actually mostly all analog, just because microcontroller stuff and CPUs were hard to come by in that time frame. At least for the average guy, and from somebody who didn't have any money, it would have been way out of my league to buy anything. So maybe we can resurrect some of these old projects and turn them into something neat. We can design some cases. We can get models from case manufacturers that are out on the internet that supply models. We can have a machine shop, or actually a sheet metal shop, cut and bend metal for us. They also have, like I said, injection molded boxes that we could use. Some extruded aluminum type boxes also. We want to I want to learn as much as I can. I've been really just a hardware guy. I've never dove into software. And when I say hardware, yeah, I could design you a board, and I could build it for you. But when it came to writing code for it, I'm sorry, I'm not your guy. But we're going to work to correct that. I wish to learn to automate my house, do some projects. I'd like to do some solar projects, some gardening projects that are controller based. We're going to do some hydroponics, and like I said, we got some solar projects that we're going to do, and I don't know, we'll just play it by ear. When something comes up, maybe somebody will suggest something along the line, and it will be a very cool idea to do so. So, look forward to it. Thanks again. Sorry for a late reply or late reposting or whatever, but we're going to get better about that. This has been in the works now for about 18 months, and I have been very slow to get going. So, second video in just a couple of months, or a month maybe, I guess. I think we're cool, man. Thanks. This is Opa Dave. Catch you guys next time. Bye.